So, where do you find homeowners that will allow you to take over payments in this market? It happens every day. We have students all over that get it done all the time. And it's just a matter of getting to the right seller. And there's sellers, people that you typically see out there with their house on the market. They're not super motivated sellers. They want to sell their house for top dollar. You know right away when you have a conversation with them that they're not going to be flexible. My advice to you, if you're looking for people who will sell to you at flexible terms, motivated sellers in this market, is to target people that have problems, vacant properties, people in foreclosure, people getting a divorce, properties in probate, where there are multiple heirs, where they're fighting over something. Those are the people that you want to approach. Landlords that are evicting, that have tenants that haven't paid in 6 months, people that want to get a problem solved, get something off of their back. Those are the people that you want to talk to. And if you can present a solution to that problem, most of the time they'll work with you. The key is going to be in the sellers that you approach. Most of the people on Zillow aren't your seller. Most of the people listed with a realtor aren't your seller. That doesn't mean there aren't any in that bunch that you can work with. If you're going after MLS stuff, look for things that have been on the market for a long time. If you're Zillow, same way. Look for motivated sellers. They're the people that'll sell to you with terms, even in a hot market, because every place in the United States isn't a hot market right now. Some of them are still reasonable and stable, and those are the places that you want to be operating in and the people that you want to be dealing with.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.